Welcome to Agent Ignite. Today, we're diving into the world of real estate media and marketing.
This module will equip you with the skills to create effective marketing campaigns and reach your target audience.
We'll start by discussing the importance of building a strong online presence and utilizing social media platforms.
Next, we'll cover content creation strategies, including writing blog posts, creating videos, and designing eye-catching visuals.
We will also explore email marketing best practices and how to build and nurture your email list.
And of course, we'll discuss paid advertising options such as Google Ads and social media advertising.
Ready to take your marketing game to the next level? Join Agent Ignite today at techforre.com. See you there.
Thank you.